So if you got stuck on the boot loop on any yezz model, what you will first want to try is to make a hard reset. So in order to do that, just take the battery out, insert it back in. Now you will press and hold the volume up button and the power button, and once yezz appear on the screen, you will let go of both of the buttons. So let's do this. Press them both. And now release. As you can see, we can select here with the volume up. You wanna go to recovery, so press the volume down. Now you wanna press the power button, just tap it, and now scroll down with the volume down button to where you see wipe data factory reset. Now hit the power up button, go down and select yes, hit the volume up button one more time, let it do its job. I'll just put the back cover. Now if it's taking that much, I would recommend you to plug the phone to a power source. It can take up to 10 minutes on some models. So I'll pause the video and get back. So it's done. As you can see, data wipe complete. Now you will have this menu again. Just tap one time the volume up button, and now theoretically you will have your phone working again. It will take some time to boot up. Normally it takes about 5 minutes, not more. It can take some more on some models. If this procedure didn't solve your problem, you will have to search for the firmware file. I'll just try to make a backup of this phone if it will work, and if I do, I will put a link in the description for you to download it. So search in the description. Maybe you're lucky if this phone works, and I'll do a backup. I'll just pause the video one more time and get back with the result. So I'm back. Unlucky for me, my phone still doesn't boot up. So I'll now try to find the firmware files and flash them. If I will find some good files, I will put a link in the description. Even so, this is how you do the hard reset. So I hope you guys solved your problems. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.